Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken fry at home. First, cut your chicken into 8 to 10 pieces, ensuring they are roughly uniform for even cooking. Next, marinate these pieces with your favorite spices for at least 30 minutes or even longer for deeper flavor. Finally, set up your dredging station with a bowl of seasoned flour and another with whisked eggs. Now let's get that perfect crispy coating. Take each chicken piece, dip it thoroughly into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off. Then, transfer it to the seasoned flour, pressing firmly to ensure a thick, even coating. For an extra crunchy crust, you can repeat this process, dipping it back into the egg and then the flour. It's time to fry. Heat your oil to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for a crispy exterior and fully cooked interior. Carefully place chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally until they reach a beautiful golden brown. Once your chicken is golden and crispy, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack to drain any excess. For safety, always check the internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for a few minutes, then serve your delicious homemade fried chicken immediately with your favorite sides. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.